Hi, this video is meant to give you some information in comparing the HMO plan with the point of service plan. The discussion today will strictly be on single coverage, but much of it will apply to dependent coverage or family coverage as well. First, let's look at premiums. The premium on the HMO that you would pay is going to be approximately $32 a month, or about $19 per paycheck. The point of service plan has no premium for single coverage, and additionally you get a flex spending card of about $250 that you can use towards any medical expenses. That would include doctor's visits, that would include deductibles, that includes co-insurance, as well as prescriptions. You could also use it for vision or dental. Now let's look at the plan designs. First, it's important to know that the HMO and the point of service plan have the same network of doctors, which means if you're currently on the HMO, the doctor you have would also be the doctor under the point of service plan. The other thing to know is that the copays for going to the doctor are exactly the same under the point of service plan and the HMO. Going for an x-ray under the point of service plan is actually free, where under the HMO it is $20. There are two main differences between the HMO and the point of service plan. One is that the point of service plan may be better in that it allows for an out-of-network option, meaning you can go to any doctor you would like. You have to recognize that there is a deductible of $2,000 for an individual on the out-of-network feature, and once you reach that deductible, the plan pays 70%, you pay 30%. But it is an available option that you don't have on the HMO. The HMO has no out-of-network option. The only doctors you may go to on the HMO are doctors who are within network. The other big difference is that the HMO is pretty much driven by copays. If you go to the emergency room, for example, you know you will pay $250. If you need a CAT scan or MRI under the HMO, you know you will pay $175. The point of service plan is structured differently. It has a $1,000 deductible for in-network, and then you pay 10%, with the plan paying 90%. So in those scenarios, you may have to pay more the first time you have a CAT scan or an MRI or have to go to the emergency room. Now again, remember, under the point of service plan, you are getting the Flex card, which has $250 on it. Additionally, any union member has access to gap insurance through American Fidelity. The gap insurance is something you may purchase, which could cost as little as $13 a month, and that gap insurance gives you a peace of mind of knowing that should you end up in the hospital, you would have $1,000 of out-of-pocket expenses reimbursed to you from the gap insurance plan. The gap insurance plan also gives you $200 in rebates if you go to the emergency room or have a CAT scan or MRI or outpatient surgery. It also has a up to $50 rebate in out-of-pocket costs for going to the doctor up to 5 times per year. The prescriptions on both the HMO and the point of service plan are exactly identical. So unless you really have some health issues that require surgery or hospitalization, you're probably going to find the point of service plan is a cheaper plan that will give you the same kind of services that you have with the HMO. If you have any specific questions, don't hesitate to reach out to us. You may email me directly at andrew.spar@floridaea.org, or you may call us at the union office 386-238-1605. You may also attend one of our informational meetings that we will be holding. That information is available on the website www.vtoweb.org, and it will also be in this week's Solidarity Report. Thanks so much. Hope you have a good one.